Hello.
Hi, Sahiba.
Hi, how are you?
Well, thank you.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm good. Um, what's your name?
Mary. My name is Mary. My surname is Barry.
My name is Sahiba. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Sahiba.
Yeah.
I like your background, the tiles behind you.
Yeah, tiles.
Are you at
Yeah.
home?
Sorry?
Where are you, Sahiba? Are you at home?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And you?
Nice. I'm at school actually. Well, I'm still in my classroom. I'm teaching now. So, and it is about 2:30 in the afternoon. So,
Okay, afternoon.
mhm.
Okay.
How about there? What time is it?
Evening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Almost 6 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see you've been on Cambly for not too long, about a few months now.
Okay. So how long have you been using cambly?
Me, not long. About 2 weeks now, 3 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yes.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
Sahiba, tell
Yes.
me, what is your favorite um, thing to drink and eat?
Uh, I like juice, mango juice, and yeah, mango juice. And
Mhm.
I like biryani. Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
Mango juice. I also like mangoes.
Okay.
Where I come from, my area where I grew up, it's a farming area,
Mm-hmm.
and there are a lot of mangoes grown in that area, for example.
Oh,
Mango trees and big,
oh,
yeah.
big mangoes.
Mm,
Okay.
mm.
So, where are you from?
So I come from South Africa, but I'm currently living in a different town to where I was born and where I grew up. Um, so my parents still live there. Um, it's quite far. It's
Mm-hmm.
like 1.5 days. Or
Yeah.
yeah, it's a lot of driving. That's where I grew up, Nelspruit, and now I live in a city called East London.
Okay. East
But
London.
Nelspruit, mhm, South
So,
Africa.
mm-hmm.
Yes.
So, have you ever been to an other countries?
Um, yes, I have been to
Where did you
Manila,
go?
in the Philippines,
Uh-huh.
but yeah, not yet to India. I would love to go to India.
Okay, you went to only Philippines, one country,
Philippines and London, England.
two countries. Oh,
Yes. Yeah,
okay.
and France, and um, Thailand, and Singapore. Um, yeah. So, and you?
No, I have never.
Not left India.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes. So,
Great.
what is the native language in the of the yeah, what is the native language of the people in Thailand?
In Thailand,
Yeah.
it is Thai, I think. In South Africa, here where I'm from,
Yeah.
we speak English. We speak a different language as well, Afrikaans, South African language, and
Yeah.
then there's few other languages as well. Zulu, Siswati. There's
Oh,
quite a few of them.
so what? Okay.
I don't know them,
Mhm.
unfortunately.
So, what's your favorite language?
Um, oh, I like English, and I like French also,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, I would say maybe a bit of Spanish, but mainly I speak English.
Uh-huh.
And tell me about your family.
Yeah, I have two older brothers and one older sister.
Hmm.
Yeah, and my parents.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it's the two older brothers and one older?
sister.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Four of you.
Sorry?
Okay. So you four. Four
Yeah.
children.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. Same as me. In my
Oh,
family, are four children. I've got a sister. So we have two boys and two girls. Two brothers and a sister.
oh, Sam.
Yes, it is. Same. Hey?
Yeah.
My parents.
So,
Yeah.
okay. So, what is what is the famous language in your city?
Mainly English and Afrikaans. There's
Okay, two.
two of- yeah. But well, in the Eastern Cape, we have Xhosa as well. Xhosa.
Kosa. This is language?
It's a language also, yes.
Okay.
Um, it's more the one of the black languages. So
Mhm.
in South Africa, we've got white people, black people,
Mhm.
different color people as well.
Okay. So you are married?
Me? No, I'm not.
Okay.
Not at the moment.
Okay. So, how many languages in South Africa?
In South Africa, we have 11 actually. 11 official languages.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's many.
Mhm.
Um, mhm. We have many languages.
Oh,
So
wow. 11.
mhm.
Oh my God, a lot of languages.
It's a
So,
lot.
yeah.
Yes, it's a lot. It's English, Afrikaans,
Mhm.
and let me go. I'll find you all the different languages.
Yeah.
And in India, you have many languages too.
Mhm.
Mhm.
So, who is he?
Oh, he wants to come and say hi. This little kid, he's saying hello. He's just saying
Hello.
hello.
Who is he?
This is one of our students at the school.
Oh, okay.
One of the boys at the school.
Okay.
So yes, there we go. There's our languages.
The official name. Oh,
So
wow.
I'm teaching. Maybe I'm teaching at the school here,
Mm-hmm.
in my classroom. So yeah.
So right now you are in school or
Yeah. Now I'm at school in my classroom.
you are teacher?
Yes.
You are cambly teacher and school teacher.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Teacher and a class teacher.
You
Yeah.
are so intelligent person.
You also. Here's my classroom.
Oh, wow. Very nice. So
It's cute.
beautiful.
It's
Your
cute, isn't it?
classroom is so beautiful. Okay, time is over. Bye bye.
Thank you.